I think the reality of how fragile health is has made people realize the true value of health, wellness, and our healthcare givers.
I do work as a CNA. I obtained my CNA certificate through the nursing program, the health careers program, when I was a junior, and I have been working as a certified nursing assistant since then.
And our team started a project actually called the Health Professions Experience. We have a grant through HRSA, the Health Resources and Services Administration, to try to increase the number of young people who go into health professions.
Well, first off, the students will be in good hands. We are all experts in our field, and they are going to learn skills that they will have for a lifetime. They're building their future.
We have been facilitating getting experiences for the students so that they can go to different health offices, whether it's hospitals, doctor's offices, dentist offices.
I graduated from Woonsocket Area Career and Tech Center. I had a resume ready. I had years of experience under my belt just because I had been at the nursing home even before I had my CNA license, just doing CNA work. My senior year, we actually had an internship program where we would go to different healthcare facilities. So there was one where we went to a dentist's office. There was one where we went to a wound care specialist, which I loved. There was just so many different opportunities that even if, you didn't necessarily want to do nursing, you could go to a dentist's office and say, hey, I really like this. So it definitely gave you a taste of everything, and it prepared us for the real world, absolutely.
Everybody, not just the program teachers, but the students, the staff, right down to the housekeeper, the secretaries, we all want everybody to succeed. And we will do whatever it takes to get those students across the finish line.
In the program in general, no matter what program that you were in, we focus very heavily on resume building, knowing how to apply for jobs, knowing how to show up for jobs, just being prepared to be in the real world, questions you would expect on an interview.
I've had students that have become RNs, LPNs, certified nursing assistants. They're out there working in the fields right now in the pandemic. I have had radiological technicians, so those are the people who takes the x-rays, surgical tech, vet tech, EMT. So, I could go on and on and on. So basically the skills that you learn pretty much in any of our programs can lead you to a variety of careers where you'll be successful. And I truly believe that the students who choose to come to our school have already chosen to be successful. And they are ahead of many of the students who at this age are not even thinking about their futures.